Monday, most of the traders bank 100 plus pips. As you can see here, one of my traders bank 105 pips. Only just a few minutes. I think within half an hour, he already banked 100 plus pips. You can see here pound yen and pound dollar trade. And if hello traders, I hope guys you are enjoying today. Today is a very hot weather in London, 41 degree. But what a blessing Monday, guys. Most of my traders squeeze amazing profit, 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my trader to squeeze amazing profit. And technically I'm done for the day. And if, as always mentioned guys, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, so feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I analyze today. As always, if you don't want to miss my analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, just before that, let me share with you the clip of my live analysis and then results. So I'm going to put it in fast mode so at least I can save my time. Right, so let's start. Yeah.
Right, let's see guys, let's dig into the price action. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, so what we can see here today, and in the Asian session we have this breakout, and it looks like price is respecting it, this previous high. We'll see, very interesting place. You can see here price, technically the price is broken, so I'm expecting here another pullback at this level, the previous high. But if the price is going to break, that's short trade here. So let's see in the that's okay, Hamza. Well, thank you so much. I'll look at and then I'll get back to you. All right, so now if you look at the intraday, we have price respected previously, price broken, could not maintain this level. You can see here we have another wedge has been developed. So technically safest way for me to look, you can see here price respected, so looking for this breakout, and after this breakout, once we have the clear direction, just keep taking a pullback. Yeah.
All right, so let me share with you the result of that analysis. If I open a EURUSD and if I look at this morning analysis, okay, so you can see here this morning, as mentioned in my live analysis, as you have seen in recording, based on that you can see here price nicely broken. So once the price was about to break, that's why we broadcast that update instantly through live ID commentary, just to make sure my trader don't miss this opportunity that guys, the price is about to break. If you are trading with this pair, enjoy this rally. As soon as the price hit this target, as you can see here, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. And after banking some profit, pretty straightforward, look for another pullback. As updated that analysis, then price develop another pullback when I was through live audio commentary. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, again red fib channel, that's what explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys, such a beautiful trade on EURUSD. Okay, so pound dollar, let me share with you the pound dollar analysis.
Pound dollar Asian session, beautiful breakout, and let's see here price broke on this level. You can see here this level, so I'm expecting here another pullback and the continuation. Previously we have false breakout. Let's see. So technically looking here, you can see here price respecting here, looking for another pullback. But if the price gonna break and retest, then short bar, we'll see. And if you look at the momentum and trend, still bullish. Based on the Asian session, we had a beautiful long trade. Mostly Asian session trader bank amazing pips. Well done guys. All right, so sort of like if you look at here, price respected here, and if you look at here, price respected here. If I just draw another parallel line to this one, you can see here sort of like another breakout at this level.
Right, so let me share with you the results of pound dollar live analysis result. As you can see here, we had such a nice beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Right, let me share with you this morning analysis. We've been long from last night, as you can see here, but this morning analysis, as you can see here, that was a pretty straightforward breakout. Once the price was breaking up, I said to my trader, enjoy the ride. We have another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the red fib channel, bank some beautiful pippies. After banking some profit, as always, look for another pullback, as you can see here. Then we announce all these pullbacks through live ID commentary, and it's such a beautiful trade on both EURUSD and pound dollar. All right, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. Let me share with you the dollar CAD recording.
Okay, dollar CAD Asian session, beautiful short trade here. It's the sign of continuation. Whenever we see the false breakout, that's the market manipulation. After that, beautiful short trade here. So next target would be around this blue fib channel. You can see at this level. Okay, so we have price develop sideways, consolidation, safest way break and retest, aggressive also breakout. Aussie dollar.
All right, guys, so as you can see here, based on the morning analysis, we had such a beautiful, as you can see here, as mentioned, that the profit target nicely hit on dollar CAD. And if you look at the analysis, as mentioned on the recording with the live analysis, that we've been short from the Asian session, as you can see here, beautiful breakout short trade here. So this is the morning analysis, guys. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and after the breakout, another pullback, banking amazing profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze the market live and how we analyze entries and exit, and helping my traders to squeeze amazing profit. As you can see here, such a blessing morning today, guys. Monday, most of the traders bank 100 plus pips. As you can see here, one of my traders bank 105 pips. Only just a few minutes, I think within half an hour, he already banked 100 plus pips. You can see here pound yen and pound dollar trade. And if you look at the pound dollar, as you can see here, pretty straightforward. If you look at the analysis, that was the pretty straightforward. You can see here at London morning session breakout, and after the breakout, another trade here, breakout. After that, banking, another breakout, beautiful long trade here. We had such a nice amazing trade. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, the most important and interesting part is you should be watching those live analysis instead of review, and banking profit in real time. That's the more interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I train and teach my trader every day through live intraday analysis in real time, because I believe that's the best way to train trader. So now that's the best place, that's the best way to learn the forex trading in real time and practical forex trading. So if you are interested how I coach and train every day to my traders, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So if you are interested, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day, guys, and until next time, all the best.